Good morning, one and all present here. I'm Nandhini D, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today we are going to see, in last videos we have seen on trivial normal functionality dependency and non-trivial functionality dependency. Now we are going to see on complete non-trivial functional dependency. What is a complete non-trivial functional dependency? A complete non-trivial functional dependency means referring a dependency in which the determined attributes cannot be infer or any subset of the determined attribute. In other words, there are no proper subset of the determined attribute that determines the determination attributes. For example, non-trivial functional dependency. First one consists of how can be defined. A functionality dependency x tends to y is a complete non-trivial if y depends on x and there are no proper subset of x that also determines y. For example, let us consider a relation with attribute a, b and c. The combination of a and b is uniquely determined, then c and neither a or nor b individually can determine c, then the dependency ab consists of c is a completely non-trivial one. Third one is a role in database design. Complete non-trivial functional dependencies are crucial databases which consist of relationship between the attributes of depending on a normalization helps in integration and avoid anomalies. Normalization process completely non-trivial function dependencies are preserved to ensure that the resulting schema actually represent the dependency in the data. This involves decomposing the relation into smaller ones while determining the dependency that are essentially for maintaining the data consistency. Next, fifth one is a data integrity. By identifying and preserving the complete non-trivial functional dependency, database designers can create a schema that actually reflect the inherent relationship between the attribute in the data. This ensures the data integrity and minimal redundancy. And the importance will be depended by what is the importance and how it is dependent from it. For example, complete non-trivial functional dependency has a crucial database because they represent essential relationship from attributes and the normalization ensures the resulting database schema actually represented dependence in the data. Maintaining this dependency, we can prevent the update anomalies, mainly data consistency, and the normalization which is helps to reflect and inherit the relationship from attribute in a data involves decomposing the relationship into smaller ones while retaining the dependencies that are essentially for maintaining the data integrity. Integrating is nothing but we are going to integrate a preserved and a complete non-trivial functional dependency, create the schemas that actually reflect the inherent relationship between the attribute in the data. This helps ensure data integrity by minimizing the redundancy and maintaining the consistency, ultimately which is more effective and reliable database systems. And the example will be cannot be inferred from a subset of determined attributes. In similar terms, if a set of attributes is uniquely determined with the other set of attributes and there is no proper subset of data. For this complete non-trivial dependency, we can have some certain examples which can be considered in the form of ISBN number, International Standard Book Number, which has a unique identification of each book's title consists of title of the book and the author is name of the author and the gender is a book and the publisher is name of the publisher. Which for explanation, first dependency, each book has a unique ISBN number. For the second dependency, known author and the gender of each book consists of an uniquely identified the publisher, making the dependency complete non-trivial. And this consists of the title cannot be determined from any proper subset of the ISBN such as a part of ISBN, making the dependency complete non-trivial. And the second normalization, while knowing just the author or just the gem may not be sufficient to determine the publisher, combination of both provides each information to uniquely identify the publisher, makes the dependency much more completely non-trivial one. This title, for example, ISBN is uniquely determines the title of the book, which is known as ISBN, and the author, gender or publisher, author and the gender together uniquely determines the publisher. This example shows that the book is a relation with the following attributes of a title, author, gender, publisher, and the number. These are all non-trivial one because these complete non-trivial function dependencies are essential for maintaining the integrity of the data. This helps ensuring the data integrity by minimizing the redundancy and maintaining the consistency, ultimately leading to more effective and reliable database systems. This complete normalization form has been used to have a set of attributes with x tends to y and y tends to z, like that a tends to b and b tends to z, because a b tends to c is a complete non-trivial form, because a or nor b individually can determine c, then this dependency a b tends to c is a non trivial one. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video.